Hello, my name is Robert from Poland, and you are watching the World Class Championship Play from Hervey Bay and Australia. Nazywam się Robert Graczyk, jestem z Polski, pozdrawiam wszystkich serdecznie z Mistrzostw Świata w A-klasie z Australii, z Hervey Bay. Ciao!
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the World A-Class Championships here in Hervey Bay. Well, yesterday the breeze kicked in hard and racing had to be postponed, but not before a bit of carnage was had, which left some of the crews working late into the night. But today it's a new day. I'm David Shipton. We're going to check the weather soon. Great to have your company. Well, it's time to cross to the course racing officer, Paul Effney. Hey Paul, how's the weather looking today?
Okay, thanks David. The weather today looks like it's a bit lighter than the previous days. We're looking at the 15 to 18 knots, fairly steady wind, so we're looking at getting 3 races in with the early start at 10 o'clock today.
Thanks Paul. Time to go racing. Day 2 and the first 3 races are done and dusted. For a report of today's racing, I've got expert writer for the Seahorse magazine and yachting guru himself, Blue Robinson. Welcome, Bluey.
Thank you very much. Cheers, good to be here.
Blue, tell me, what did you make of today?
Well, 3 races today were fantastic. You've got shifting breeze. It was about 16 to 19 knots, maybe 20 knots. So fantastic for the sailors to get out there. But it was the Glen Ashby show. I mean, he started well in the first 2 races. The 3rd race he didn't start so well. He wasn't first around the top mark. He was 2nd through the gate on every race, I think, or maybe a little bit on the 3rd race. But he just seems to find the shifts, stay in the shifts, get them well, and he won every race. In the 3rd race, where he didn't start very well, he won very convincingly. So he's going to be hard to track down.
Ominous signs for his competitors, right?
For his competitors, what do you do? I mean, this is early days. We didn't get any racing yesterday, so it's key to get good racing today. They know what he does. They know how he does it. They just can't keep up, and that is hard.
Is it boat setup? Is it just understanding the breeze better?
It's experience. The other guys, Pete Burling and Blair Tuke from Team New Zealand, Emirates Team New Zealand, they have wonderful feel and experience as gold medalists, but Ashby's had time in the boat and he knows his settings and he can change them on that day, and that's hard to beat as well. On the boat, as he was crossing the line, you could hear other sailors coming because of their foils were humming. You could not hear Ashby's foils, and that says a lot. That says in his settings and how he's finally treated and sanded those foils. So he's up there, and you're right, it is ominous.
Is there any tips or anything that you think that the competitors could do to pull him back?
Well, he's beatable. In the Australian Championships last week, he had a gear breakage, and that slowed him in race, well, I think race 5 or race 6, and he had a 5th. So that was his discard. So, never say never, but they're going to have to think tonight about their settings tomorrow and come out with confidence and make him fight for it.
Blue, thank you very much for your time today.